First you have your pre-mixed solution, soap and water. You're also going to need the supplied squeegee that comes with your kit. Also available, we do have our high-end microfiber, double-sided microfiber and terry cloth. Also our Ghost Armor microfiber bags for our aftercare installation. First, what you want to do, you want to visually inspect each kit that you have. So here I have the screen kit. Visually inspect it to make sure there are no manufacturer defects, all the cutouts. You also want to hold it onto your device to make sure you have the right kit. Next, make sure your device is perfectly clean. No dust, no debris, no fingerprints. Once that's clean, you want to make sure your hands are clean. You'll start by peeling at the top right of the screen and peeling it into your palm. You should need about 3 sprays of solution. So you'll see one on the bottom, one in the middle, and then one on top. You always want it to be a mist. Flip it over without touching the center of the material. And lay it starting on one end, going to the opposite end. Now you should be able to move it around to get it into place. You want to line up the speaker hole and any home buttons or speakers that may be covered as well. Once that's lined up, spray your squeegee once on each side. You'll start in the center of your device, holding the sides, and squeegee outward. You then want to flip your device over and squeegee the other half. After that, tap out any excess moisture that may be in the speaker hole. Do not worry about cleaning it at this point. You'll want to let it dry. Here we have our dry box, or at home you'll just want to let it air dry. Either in front of a fan, just to help speed it up, or just let it air dry for about 20 minutes. Now that your screen is dry, you can flip it over and do the back. Same thing here, you want to visually inspect the kit. You also want to lay it on your device to make sure all the speakers and everything line up correctly. Same as with the front, cleaning it is very important. You're going to make sure all fingerprints, dirt, debris, everything is clean, even around the sides. Once that's clean, very similar to the front, you want to start at the top right corner and peel it off into your palm. Now once again, you only want to spray the material. So 3 sprays. And once again, start at the bottom and roll it onto the device. Now you should be able to shift around the armor to make sure everything lines up correctly. You also want to double check the speaker's headphone jack at the bottom to make sure everything is square. Spray your squeegee, once on each side. The same thing here, 50%. When you get up around the camera, you always want to squeegee around the camera, never directly into it. So once you squeegee that, you're going to want to let the edges dry. Because the edges are meant to stay up. They have to dry before you can roll them over. So what you want to do to speed up that process, you can actually lay it and roll some of that liquid up, either onto a mat or onto your forearm. Roll those edges out, just to speed that process up. Now when you let it dry, you want to make sure these edges are still up. And then once again, you'll either set it down in front of a fan to dry faster, or just let it air dry. The back does take a while. So once you start letting the back dry, you can roll it over. If the side does not stick, you lift it up and let it keep drying.